10-year deferred maintenance rule, guys. So I have what I like to call my 10-year deferred maintenance rule. What the heck does that mean, John? That means whenever I'm buying a rental property, before I put it on the market available for a renter to rent that property out, I'm going to walk into that property. I'm going to look around and I'm going to say to myself, hey, what in this home am I going to need to replace in the next 10 years? And whatever answers I come up with, like water heater, HVAC, flooring, kitchen, shower, whatever that answer is, I'm going to replace that today. That's my 10-year deferred maintenance rule. If I'm going to have to replace it in 10 years or less, I'm going to replace it right now. What that does is that allows me to reduce my maintenance costs, which allows me to reduce my overall vacancy against my portfolio and bring a property to the market that everybody wants to rent and pay top dollar for. If you guys like these tips and tricks, go ahead, click that follow button. And as always, guys, happy investing.